Hello, my name is Gloria Piaggio. I'm from Berlin, Germany, and I'm here at Costa Rica at the Sunset Del Mar. I'm attending in Titanium Mastermind, and I'm very happy to be here with my friend Chow. He's one of our speakers, and I'm sure you know who's Chow, but I will ask you how long you have been with Mobe.
Well, I've been with Mo for 5 years now.
5 years.
5 years, but I've been internet marketer since 2000, so 18 years.
Yes, 18 years.
That's
And
right.
why do you choose Mobe?
Why did I choose Mo? Yeah, it's a good question. I get that a lot because I have been in industry for a long time. And hello, come on. Oh, look at that.
Thanks. Willst du zu uns kommen?
Okay. Oh, you want to continue swimming? That's fun.
Yeah.
That's fun. All right. So yeah, great thing about Mobe is that it's a family company. So we do get kids, and I see your daughter is here, and yeah, my daughter comes to these events as well.
Yes.
But back to the question, I've been in internet marketing for over a decade.
Yeah.
And in that time, I've seen tons of companies come and go. And so people ask me, well, why Mobe? Why something else? And I have to say, every day a company approach me asking them to help promote them.
Yeah.
And
of course.
they fall into 3 categories. Usually the first category is I don't like them, so I don't promote them. No, I don't want to deal with you. No, I don't like your product. I don't like you. I don't like your company. Now, that's the majority of them. The second group are companies that have products that I do not personally use, but I feel that they would have value to my readers. So I will blog about them and let my readers say, hey, this is pretty cool, but I don't personally use it. But I think I'll blog about them.
Yeah.
The last category, and it's the smallest category, only less than a dozen products. And these are products that I personally use myself and personally promote. So I use it, I promote it. And Mobe is in that third category.
Yeah.
Another example, I guess, in that category would be Aweber. They are my email list provider. I use it, I like it, so I recommend it, I promote it. Right? So and Mobe is in that category. Now, so why Mobe? Why actually
Mobe,
promote Mobe? Well, again, 3 reasons. The first reason that it's a money maker.
Yeah.
It's a money maker. Let's face it. If I'm going to promote something, I want to make money.
Yeah.
I want to make money,
of
right?
course.
So, and ever since joining Mobe 5 years ago, I've made over $4.2 million.
Yeah.
So
Idea.
it's a good money maker.
Amazing.
First reason,
Yeah.
good money maker, right? So it makes money.
Yes.
The second reason is, unlike a typical affiliate program, like say Amazon or ClickBank or the majority of all affiliate programs out there, Mobe allows me to keep the customer and they tag it to me for life.
Yeah.
Like when I refer a customer to Amazon and the customer buys something, I get that commission for what they buy. But after 24 hours, the customer belongs to Amazon.
Yeah.
And Amazon's gonna contact that customer and offer them additional products. And when they buy those additional products, Amazon keeps all the money. I don't get anything. Even though I was one who sent Amazon the customer. With Mobe,
Understand.
the customer is tagged to me for life.
Yeah.
So whether when they buy the first item, the second item, whether they buy today, tomorrow, or a year from now, I will get the commission. So this is a Mobe business is like a regular business. See, regular businesses, they survive on repeat customers. Regular businesses cannot survive on new customers only who never come back.
Yeah.
But like for example, Disneyland,
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
long do you think Disneyland can last if all the customer only visit once and then never visit again?
Yeah.
They won't last long.
Yeah.
But yet, affiliate marketing, it's the same way. Most affiliate marketers, that's exactly what they're doing. They are spending all this money to get one-time customer who they'll never see again, who won't become their customer, who never buy from them again.
Yeah.
And they're wondering why they're not making any money in affiliate marketing. This is why the majority of affiliate marketers don't make money, because they're doing it. They're just trying to get new customer. They're trying to get customer for somebody else.
Yeah.
You should need to get customer for yourself. With Mobe, the customer belongs to you. It's my customer.
Yeah.
Right. So, second reason, and the third reason is just the range of product, the essential model, the scale. But Mobe has product ranging from $1 all the way up to $100,000. So they have these high-end, high-ticket product. And for the longest time, I avoided selling high-end product because I know it takes more effort, it takes more time. I have to, get them on the phone, talk to them on the phone, or meet them face to face. And I want to live the .com lifestyle. I don't want to be talking to people.
It's the same for
Yeah,
me.
exactly. I want to enjoy time with friends and families. And if I'm talking on the phone or doing sales, I don't want to do sales. And I realized that, so that's why I avoided the high-end expensive product. Stuff below $100, I could sell with just a video sales page or a regular sales page on the internet. So that's what I've done. And I did a pretty good business doing that. I built it up to $40,000 a month selling low ticket product with a sales page. But when I found out that Mobe has high ticket product and they have the phone team and they have the events team available to close the sale for me, so I don't have to. I just send them the lead and they'll do the work, and when it's successful, I get a commission. Well, that was like a light bulb going off. Right? So I added the high ticket product, Mobe high ticket product, and once I did that, my income went from the $40,000 per month to over $100,000 per month. So I was leaving a lot of money on the table. Right, and so all these years I could have been making way more than what I was making, right? So those three reasons, because of the high ticket product, the fact that a customer belongs to me, tagged to me for life, and the fact that it's a money maker. Those are the reasons why I promote Mobe. And I say in over 10 decades, I've seen everything come and go. And I can say without a shadow of a doubt that probably the best opportunity right now is Mobe for the newbie, the intermediate, as well as the experienced internet marketer like myself. And so, and you know, so I've been in this business 10 plus years. I've never seen any other business that offers all of those things. And even for the newbie internet marketer, I would say there'll be a fourth reason. The newbie internet marketer, the training that Mobe gives you. Yeah, the training, the training and the teaching and the system that's in place to help you when you're totally new. That's awesome. If you're new, if you're experienced, then that's great for you too, because you will get access to all of Mobe's product, a high-end product, and all because all you gotta do is, you know, just basically, you want to find out more, just go for the 21 steps. Right? And then you will have a link for the 21 step below this video. And so you want to find more about 21 step system, go through the system. It's a one-time fee, $49 one-time fee, allows you to go for all 21 steps, and they give you a one-on-one coach as well. Right? So for $49, you get a 21 step one-on-one coach. But basically, I recommend you go through it, connect with a coach, and afterward, if you decide this is for you, then hey, great, welcome aboard. We look forward to meeting you and working with you. And if you decide that it's not for you, then not a problem. You know, just go get a refund and continue doing what you're doing.
That's no problem.
There you go.
And then you sit as newbie direct with Chow.
Yeah, exactly. Great. All right. So thank you very much. We should go. You know, we should join your daughter in the resort. We'll join her in the pool.
My husband. I hope my husband. He's
we're going to
with
join
her.
them in the pool. That's what we should do. That's what we're going to do. All right. So thank you. Thank you for interviewing me.
Thank you too.
All right.
Thank you too.
Awesome.